Are you a designer in the era of Gen Z? Have you ever felt your designs are outdated and no longer impressive to this generation? No worries. This video is exclusively crafted for you. I will share some of the secrets to design for Gen Z. First of all, who is Gen Z? If your age is 12 to 26 right now, congrats, you are part of the Z squad. What makes them so awesome? While past generations were busy learning how to crawl, Gen Z was already mastering how to scroll through Instagram feeds.
Joke.
Illa.
I have one more to say. While past generations grew up chasing fireflies outside, Gen Z grew up chasing Wi-Fi signals inside. Gen Z communicates in a whole new language. Memes. Need to express excitement? Use a meme. Feeling sarcastic? Use a meme. Okay, jokes apart. They are the generation that's breaking trends, breaking boundaries, and breaking the internet daily. Are you ready to design for Gen Z? Here are some secrets. Secret number 1. Gen Z is highly visual. Think of bold images, short videos, and graphics. If your design doesn't grab them visually in the first few seconds, they are gone. Use vibrant and bold colors like electric blues, neon greens, and vibrant pinks. These colors shows energetic and expressive nature of Gen Z. Secret number 2. Fast and intuitive. Gen Z has no patience for complicated navigation or slow loading content. Your design needs to be fast, seamless, and easy to use. Secret number 3. Kiss.
What?
Keep it short and simple. Platforms like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Stories are so popular among Gen Z. You know why? Because they deliver short and punchy content for their quick consumption habits. Secret number 4. Gen Z appreciates authenticity. Gen Z can smell inauthenticity from a mile away. Whether it is a person or a brand, if it's not real, they are not interested. So use real and relatable sources. Secret number 5. Gen Z speaks a different language. They excelled in the art of saying everything without really saying much. Why use full sentences when a single emoji can do the job? They have turned emojis into an entire language that can convey sarcasm, excitement, and so on. Keep these secrets in mind and start designing for Gen Z. Like this video, hit the subscribe button for more content like this.